Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at our new compact athletic trainer's workstation with speaker and clock. So this is a specific compact athletic trainer's workstation specifically designed for hockey. Hockey is very unique as far as sports trunks that we do here. Everything is really intended to be small so that it can travel either via bus or more frequently commercial plane. So the dimensions of the hockey things on our website are thusly categorized. So you'll definitely notice, maybe not so much for scale because all the backgrounds are removed, which is, well, why I'm making this video, but you can definitely tell the difference between those things when you're looking at it. So let's take a look at the lid here. There is a clear Lexan cover that covers the lid, and more specifically, the bins. But there are two things in the lid beyond the bins. There is a small Sonos speaker and a clock. So I'm going to remove this lid and show you how that works. Looking at the right-hand side of the lid here, this is a Sonos Roam speaker. We like Sonos a lot here at LM. If you will notice from other product videos, there are certainly a gratuitous amount of Sonos products. This Roam speaker is pretty cool. So we do have a little cutout in the foam here so you can access the features of it like power, volume, etc., etc. But the speaker is removable. It works on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is the compartment with the speaker removed. On the left-hand side of the lid, this is a clock, and it is a multifunction clock that has all of its controls accessible from the top here. And it will give you basic things like either the time of day, there's a stopwatch function. I think this is dead, actually. Let's see if it comes to life. Oh, there we go. A stopwatch function. There's all kinds of different things. So we've heard from a number of athletic trainers in the hockey arena that they like to not only have the time, but they need to know the period. So if everybody synchronizes their clocks, they kind of know when guys are going to come off the ice or any of that other kind of thing. So in the lid, we have 20 small tilting compartments. So that's what the plastic piece keeps in line during transport. So this is what they look like when they're open. So these are great for small items, bandages, you know, any small part that an athletic trainer would need. The lid is supported with gas springs. So this doesn't want to come closed on you. It aids with opening and closing. So the work surface here is made out of a combination of white marine grade plastic, and it also has a replaceable clear piece on top. This is 1/4 inch clear Lexan on top. Behind here, there is a power compartment. This is a specific courtesy module that we make here at LM. This gives you 8 standard Edison AC outlets, 4 USB-As and 4 USB-Cs. There are also 2 PowerCon connectors here that will interface with a 4-plex unit, which I'll show you here in a second. So this is our 4-plex power cable. The one that comes with the case is 2 feet long. You can order these any length you want, from 1 foot to 100 feet from lmcasesonline.com. And one of the reasons why we like this so much is if you have larger items like battery chargers or radio chargers or things with an AC-DC adapter on there, this works out really well. The courtesy power strip that's in here is located sort of recessed into the lid. It makes things difficult to plug in. Sometimes you have larger diameter plugs that if you were to plug them, say, in the module, they would block the USB port. So we try to give you an extra option here. The longer versions, we have 2 outlets on the power module here, so you can use the included one on the work surface and maybe order another one that would allow power to go outside of the case. Speaking of powering the case, we'll show you the back where the power inlet is. So on the back of the case, we have a recessed cable hatch, which exposes our locking True 1 inlet. So with this case, this is a locking power connector. You insert it into the hole like this, into the receptacle like this, and turn it and click it, and this is now a locking connector. The case particular comes with a 12-gauge SO rated cable that is 25 feet long. This is a very long power cable so that no matter where you are in the locker room, you can get power to this case. So this particular workstation comes with 4 drawers. Looking at the top one, each drawer features a Lexan cover. This is specifically intended to keep things in the drawer when the case inevitably gets flipped. So to access parts in here, all you do is open this up, and you have 3 dividers that split the drawer into 4 compartments. Everything features a dadoed 4-pound PE slotted divider network over here. This allows you to configure the dividers however you would like. These are made out of 1/4-inch marine grade plastic, and they can be put into any configuration that you would like. The next drawer down is exactly the same. The 3rd drawer down takes this divided compartment and runs it into 2 rows. So these are also made out of 1/4-inch marine grade plastic. They are in the drawer, supported by PE dados on the sides. The lids are 3/8 Lexan. These are very thick. All the corners, or all the edges are broken and routed. The drawers themselves are made out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch. They're mounted on heavy-duty Accuride glides, and they feature a 1/2-inch drawer face. The bottom drawer is exactly the same as the middle drawer. It is just deeper. So the case exterior is built out of 1/2-inch plastic laminated with your choice of ABS laminate colors. And it also has 1/2-inch marine grade runners along all of the case. So when this is on an airplane conveyor belt, etc., the case has a sacrificial part that you can replace. Every one of these are mounted with a machine screw with a T-nut on the back. So that if any of these get worn over time, you can replace them. The hardware set includes deep recessed handles. These are specifically intended to be as smooth as possible to the exterior of the case. This case rides on 4-inch Coulson casters. They are attached to the case with a 3/4-inch Baltic caster board, and all parts on the bottom here are replaceable. So the casters are all fixed with a T-nut. And if should something break, as it is a wearable part, you can replace it with just very, very simple tools. The lid here is not pictured. It is currently being built. We are up against a deadline to get this to a trade show, so it didn't make the video. But it does include adjustable table legs, so that this has a mating table that goes next to it. So if you have any questions, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. If you would like to buy this case as is, you can buy it direct, lmcasesonline.com. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of LM, you can check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we will catch you on the next one.